guys. Well, today I'm gonna show you dum ba da bum 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 my table and my aquarium. Yeah, my aquarium reveal. I know, sad. You know, all the fishes died. So yeah, just kidding. Got scammed. But what I was gonna show you originally. Wait, come here. Wait, come here. Come here. I'm asking for my cameraman to come. I know, because I'm kind of scared of the dark. But yeah, I'm scared of the dark. That's a fun fact. And I'm bringing my recorder that always records with me sometimes, which is my friend. Yeah, that's right. I live with my friend. But yeah, the reason why I'm here, oh, that was my mom for some reason. But yeah, not my room, but here. This dark, sad room. There it is. Oh, where is it? Yeah, my cat reveal. And I know I've showed you my cat, but this is a baby cat. Yeah, a little weensy. Oh, hello, Elmo. Anyways, if you were wondering what kind of room is this, well, this was my old room. Nice. And yeah, I have to take off this pillow that I used years ago. And oh, look at those incy little cat. Oh, that one is hissing. It's okay, bud. Oh, so yeah, their mom is not here right now. So that means their brother is gonna take care of them. But no, his brother is not here. I guess going to the mall. Just kidding. I guess they're outside. Yeah. It's okay, sweetie. Okay. Slowly but surely. But yeah, they're over 3 weeks old, I think. Maybe 1 week. I don't remember. One more. Oh yeah, this one. This one is my favorite. Cause now the body's not that, I know, fancy, but for the face, the face. Look at the face. It looks so cute. And this one is the most, and this one is like, has the longest nails of all of them. And this one is kind of shy. Whoa! Are you okay? Whoops. That was a mistake. But yeah, this was my old room, which I used to draw a lot, and you know, I stick them to my wall. My walls. Yep, that's right. Five Nights at Freddy, kids. Yeah. Anyways, that game franchise is dead. So why do I even bother to play that game? I don't know. If you want to know who's beside me right now, it's my mom. Because I have to do some chores. That's right. In 4 o'clock. I mean 4 o'clock. What am I talking about? At 7 o'clock, I must do my chores. And yeah, whatever. So yeah. Cat reveal. I hope you like it. Because my cats are super. Oh, here comes their brother. What? I did nothing to your brothers. Anyways, I told it was a lie. What? I didn't make your brothers fall to the pit. Are you angry? I did nothing to your brothers. Okay. Their big brother is sometimes mad if I touch their brother. They think I did something bad. They thought I was gonna sell them. Wow, look at, oh, don't you dare poop. Why? Oh, yep. And also, about my cat reveal, brother reveal too. Right, those babies, yep. This is their brother. You wanna know why am I holding this with one hand? Well, it's because one hand is holding the camera. That's right. Wow, look at that. It just walks away. So sad.